Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Tuesday, October 29th, 2024. Hope you're having a great day. I am headed over to the soap shop to pack up some orders, and then I'm going to be delivering soap today with Tina later on this afternoon. So I thought I would make a quick video while I drive over and talk to you about Cash Building System Unlimited. Now, if you haven't heard of this, or you have heard of it and haven't done anything with it, now is the time to get started, okay? Because once you join this, you're gonna wait about 7 to 10 days before you get your welcome kit. But now is the prime time to get involved with this opportunity because we're going into the holiday season. All right, so people that come into this opportunity and take massive action, yeah, I mean, you can have a very nice Christmas this year, all right? And again, I have to put in my earnings disclaimer and say there's no guarantee you're gonna make any money with this opportunity, but the people that go out there, the go-getters, the hustlers, you can absolutely make this work. This is an easy opportunity for anybody. It doesn't matter if you're experienced in the network marketing world or not, you can make this opportunity work if you can place a stamp and a peel and stick address label on a postcard and take it down to the post office. All right, it's as simple as that. It doesn't get any easier. That is why moving into 2025, I'm going to be solely focused on direct mail opportunities, particularly American Bill Money and Cash Building System Unlimited. Okay, so hopefully I'll get my marketing kit later today or maybe tomorrow. And as soon as I do, I'm going to shoot a video about that and what you get. But you can start this opportunity, all right? There's 2 phases to it. And phase number 1, where everyone starts, is $50, all right? It's a one-time $50 payment. You're gonna get a welcome kit with everything you need. It includes 200 postcards to get you started. It includes 200 peel and stick address labels with opportunity-seeking people, all right? So you're not just mailing these postcards out to random people. These are people who are requested more information. They want to either supplement or learn how to replace their income working from home. And you're going to get a place where you can get discounted postage. You're going to get everything you need to start out, okay? So for a one-time $50 payment, you can get your welcome kit, postcards, address labels, and everything else you need to get started. And then we have a phase 2, okay? Now, if you come in at phase 1, and like I always say, get in where you fit in. So if you can only afford the $50 to get started, that's fine. That's a great place. You're taking action. You can still make a boatload of money if you put in the effort at phase 1, because each time you refer somebody, you're going to earn a $25 fast start commission, okay? But where the bigger money comes in is in phase 2. And when you join phase 2, it goes all the way from $100 in level 1 to $5,000 in level 8. And you can, depending on where you join, depends on how much commissions you can earn from your referrals. But right now, all right, and if you click that link down below or go to mailboxmoneyempire.com, you'll be taken over to a page where you can opt in to watch a video. And there's 2 videos on the page that go over everything in great detail, the compensation plan, how everything works. I mean, it's a super simple, it doesn't get any easier than this, folks, okay? But you'll get a chance when you join to upgrade, okay? And particularly if you join online, all right? You can mail in a PDF, you can print a PDF flyer off and join that way and mail it in for people that don't like the internet. That's fine. But if you join online, you will have the option of leveling up, okay? So if you join at level 1, it's $100. You don't get any upgrades, but you will get postcards and all that stuff, all right? Now, if you join at level 2, you're gonna get a free upgrade to level 3. And that's what I did, all right? So I came in, I spent $550, joined at level 2. I got a free upgrade to level 3, which is the $1,000 level. And now, when somebody joins me at that level, I'm gonna earn $700 commissions. All right, and I mean, we have upgrade bonuses, we have spillover bonuses, we have fast start bonuses, and you can turn this into residual income, okay? Because when you start referring people, and they start referring people, you're gonna earn commissions on your referrals, okay? So it's a super powerful program. I highly recommend you check it out. you can go to mailboxmoneyempire.com. The link is down below. And that's the third-party system that I'm using, the marketing system that I'm using for this. It's an additional expense. You can start it for a one-time $10 setup fee and then $20 a month. Or they have an option where you can pay for an entire year for $120. So basically you're saving 50%. And and there's no setup fee, so it's like $10 a month. It's a nice system. It's very professional. You can see how it works by going to mailboxmoneyempire.com. All right, and when you join me, text me to let me know, because all my contact information is there. Shoot me a text or an email letting me know you joined, and I'm going to send you a page I put together with over 80 places that you can market this online. All right, and 99% of them are free to use. So it's a great time to start this. We're going into the holiday season. You start building this now, and then come tax season, when everybody gets their tax returns, I mean, people are going to make fortunes with this. My sponsor has made a fortune with this. He's been in this for a few years now, and you know, you can see the ones who have stuck with this, put in the effort, hustle, treat it like a real business, and they are doing very, very well with this opportunity. So if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out, and I look forward to working with you. So with that being said, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Keep your eye out for my marketing kit video that I'm going to do as soon as I get my marketing kit. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.